There once was a man who went all through the land, telling of woodpeckers and crying woodpecker wolf. But then one day, a woodpecker arrived in town. He wasn't smiling, he wore a frown.
So this woodpecker, sitting up in a wood, looked down and said, I'm going to attack this guy because I'm a red-headed woodpecker, and I'm going to nail this guy right in the head. So I'm looking around, watching this man walk on the ground all over the town, and I decided I'm going to attack this man. I'm going to give him a woodpecker peck in the head.
The feud became legendary. Everybody realized that this time he wasn't crying woodpecker wolf, and that the woodpecker himself was actually very real. He was a master sword fighter from Asia. He had been trained in the master arts of mastering masters, and he had come for the man who cried woodpecker wolf.
This woodpecker, he decided he was going to come down out of that wood and woodpecker somebody right in the head. This guy's got long hair and a little bit of a beard going on. I figure I'll nail him in the head and make him hit the ground, because there ain't going to be no sound when I hit the ground when the woodpecker, red-headed woodpecker, comes to town.
The red-headed woodpecker, he came to town to find the one who cried woodpecker wolf. Did you like it? Did you like it?
I like it.
Did you like it a lot? We did this song for you,
Red-headed woodpecker attacks the man.
our follower. We love ya. But the song's not over. And the woodpecker came back. No, the song's over.